Take a look at the collar that you have on. And then here, for comparison, you actually want the collar to exceed where the tie knot ends in length. So the collar is very important. You want that to be longer. If we take a look at your picture again, here on the left, you see the tie knot is about at the same height of where the collar. Here's another good example of this. You want the collars to be lower than where the tie knot actually ends. Now let's take a look at the lapel. Yours, in comparison to the tie, is very, very, very skinny. Very, very skinny. Right now, in this example, take a look at the width of the tie and the width of the lapel. What you should see is the rule of thirds again. 1/3 being the tie, 2/3 being each of those lapels. Let's take you again for reference. Now, another place where you would want to incorporate that rule of thirds is the ratio from your actual neck to the shoulder. That means your lapel should, in most cases, be about 50 to 60 or 70% of that width. So they should be at least double in size here. Another thing that is quite frequent in modern day suits is the gorge line. It's the gorge height. It's very, very high. Let's take this for example. Here it is a lot lower. It's about where your knot of the tie ends. If we take a look at this here, it's about a little below your Adam's apple, but a lot higher than your actual tie, even higher than where your tie starts, right? Now, as far as colors go, right, you told me you don't know, you haven't selected a color palette yet, right, for your skin tone, which, to be honest, does make sense. This outfit looks, this outfit looks, this outfit looks when we talk about color. So there's nothing you have to decide on. All of these colors look great on. If you need more inspiration as far as colors go, take a look at Terry Jeffers from the popular show Brooklyn Nine-Nine. He's about your complexion and he wears a lot of different colors. In this instance, pale or a very pink that fits a purple, a pale purple, or even different kind of pattern with the same purple and green. Looks perfect, looks great. Or the pale blue as you, even the mustard shirt, everything will look good on your complexion. You don't have to decide for a color palette, so to speak. Everything will look good. Now, one more thing that I noticed is the pants here. They look fairly skinny in comparison to your upper body. Now, that isn't the case with the rest of these that you sent me. They look great proportion-wise. Obviously, you could wear some high-rise trousers here. That would look great as well. But here in particular, the pants look fairly, very slim to where the jacket ends at your waist. And you don't want that. What you want technically is for that to go down in a straight line. You see how these proportions match better? Or this, or this.